I'm on a 5-minute promise to teach you this song, so let's get started right now. Hey there budding Campfire Guitar Heroes, it's Dene again and welcome to this week's 5-minute quickfire guitar lesson. Look, I reckon this is a song that at least every guy should have in his campfire guitar repertoire because the lyrics are all about, I guess, us striving to be a better version of ourselves. So let's start learning it. So let's look at the song recipe now. The original song was played in the key of F sharp, which is way too hard to play, so I've transposed it to the key of G. So the basic chords are a G, an E minor, a C, and a D. And as you can see, I've put a capo on fret 3, and that's purely just to suit my voice. Doesn't matter where you put the capo. The original tempo, medium, and the song structure, pretty standard. Verse, chorus, bridge, and then a chorus to finish. And in terms of singing ability, I reckon you can get away with this being a shower singer. Before we start, I recommend you download the free song sheet, all the details below in the description. That's got the chords, it's got the lyrics, it's got everything you need to know how to practice this song. Okay, we're going to start with the strum. And before we do, just remember I'm a left-handed guitarist playing on a right-hand strung guitar. So my finger patterns may appear upside down to you. Don't let that worry you because I'm going to put all the chord patterns right there. And as long as you get your fingers in the right place, you can follow along. Right, let's start with the foundational strum for this song. Down, down, up, up, down. Down, down, up, up, down. Down, down, up, up, down. Now we'll do the full strum and you'll see how it sounds when I'm playing it in a song version. So all I'm doing is adding that quick little, I guess, down, up at the end of the foundational strum. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, the verse. What I love about the verse, real simple. The 4 chords, G, E minor, C, and a D. And it just starts like this on the G chord. Send someone to love me, I need to rest in arms. E minor, go to the C. Keep me safe from harm. To the D, or in Re. Repeat. Give me endless G. We'll move to the E minor, to the C, C, back to the D. And then it moves straight into the chorus. Same chords, starts on the C. As my soul heals the D. Quick transition from G to D to E minor. I will grow old, D to the C minor. Back to C. Lord, I'm doing up to the D. All I can, little G. Now that's the signature sound of the song, the little riff on the chord of G, and I'll just show you that now. So it's G, and then all I'm doing is moving my finger on the 3rd fret, fat E string, to the 3rd fret next string, which is the A string. So it's going from to there. Let's move straight into the bridge. This is where it gets into the bar chords. If you have trouble with bar chords, just click on the link up there. I've done a great, simple, for beginners, how to master bar chords. What are the chords? It's got an A sharp, it's got a G minor, and then it's got a D minor, and then a standard D and a D7. Quick demo now. Once you've found a lover, you're homeward bound. Love is all around. Love is all around. A sharp. I know love is rolling on a phony ground. To the D7. Love is all around. And that is the building blocks of this song. So I've got one last thing, a quick question. What memories does this song bring back for you?